Hi students, problem number 5. A resistance of 25 ohm is connected to a 12 volt battery. Calculate the heat energy generated per minute, means 60 seconds in joule. So what are all the given quantities I am going to write here? R is equal to 25 ohm. Then V equal to 12 volt. And time is equal to 1 minute. So this is 1 minute means it is a 60 second. So the heat energy generated per minute we are going to find out. So as usual from Joule's law, the heat generated is given by H is equal to V square by R into T. Understand? Into T. So this is now equal to V square is 12 into 12 into T is 60 second into 60, and this is divided by R is 25, okay, 25 ohm. So 12 into 12, we know that 12 square is 144. So this is equal to 144 into 60 divided by 25. So you have to multiply 144 by 60. You will get 8640. So 8640 in the numerator divided by 25. So both are divisible by 5 and you also can divide and find out that it will be 345.6. Therefore the heat developed in the resistor H is equal to 345.6 joule. Understand that? So this problem also is now based on Joule's law. Now problem number 6 is a different type of problem. This is very important and a new type. 100 joule of heat is produced in a 4 ohm resistor. Okay, what is the potential difference across the resistor? So we have to find out the potential difference. Now this 100 joule of heat is produced in 1 second in a 4 ohm resistor. Actually I think here that time is not given. Okay, this is per second. We have to find out per second. That means the time is equal to 1 second. So here what are all the given quantities? H is equal to 100 joule is given. Understand that? And time is equal to 1 second and R is equal to 4 ohm. So 100 joule of heat is produced in a 4 ohm resistor per second. They have not given, I think printing error I have included. So these are the given quantities. What is the potential difference we have to find out? Again the same formula only, is it not? So V square by R into T is equal to H. So the same I am going to write here. So the formula is H is equal to V square by R into T. So this implies V square is equal to H into R divided by T. So V square is equal to H is given as 100. So this is 100 into resistance is given as 4 ohm divided by 1. So V square is equal to, now 100 into 4 is 400. Therefore what is V is equal to square root of 400. So this is equal to square root of 20 into 20. Or V is now equal to 20 volt is the answer. Very simple problem. So V square is 400 means V is equal to 20 volt. I hope you must have understood well. You also try these problems. Fine.